Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make great Instagram reels with Canva. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to make videos that grab attention instantly, even without any design experience, this step-by-step process will help you get there. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up for free. Once you're inside, click on the Create a Design button at the top right. In the search bar, type Instagram Reel and Canva will automatically suggest the correct format and dimensions. Select it to open a blank canvas ready for editing. Next, add multiple pages to your project. Aim for at least 4 pages to begin with, as each page acts like a separate scene in your reel. You can add more if needed, but 4 is a solid starting point for a smooth flow. Now it's time to bring in your visuals. You can upload your own images through the upload section or choose from Canva's built-in library. Select around 5 images that match a similar style or color theme to keep your video visually consistent. Drag each image onto a page and adjust the layout until everything looks balanced. If one image stands out, feel free to make it fill the entire frame. After placing your images, add transitions between each page to create motion. Click between pages and choose a transition style that fits your overall look. Effects like color wipe can give your reel a smooth and dynamic feel. You can also adjust the speed and direction of the transition depending on the mood you want, slower for a dramatic effect or faster for something more energetic. Once you're happy with the transition style, use the option to apply it to all pages so everything stays consistent throughout your reel. Finally, click the download button to export your video. After that, you're ready to upload it to Instagram and share your content, and that's it. This is how you can make great Instagram reels with Canva. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.